Hi, this video is a short introduction to FACER AS, an Android Studio plugin which uses FACER as its backend code recommendation engine to provide Java code recommendations for reuse. FACER AS can provide code against a search query and further related code recommendations within the integrated development environment. This eliminates the need to use web search, which is both time consuming and distracting.
I have already downloaded FACER.as.zip using the same link. Now go to Android Studio and click File, then click Settings. In Plugin section, click on the Settings icon. Select Install Plugin from Disk. Now select FACER.as.zip. Click Apply, then click OK, and then restart your Android Studio. Here we have FACER AS plugin installed in Android Studio. To configure FACER AS plugin, download resources from the link given in description and don't forget to unzip the folder. I have already downloaded those resources. Now go to Android Studio. To configure plugin, use Ctrl+2 or use FACER AS menu for it. Now select the downloaded FACER AS resources. Configuration of FACER AS plugin is completed. Consider a scenario where you want to write a method play music. Instead of writing the method from scratch, you can just write a query play music and invoke FACER AS for it. FACER AS can be invoked using Ctrl+1 or you can use UI for this. Now select Get FACER Recommendations. A list of methods related to the query will appear in the bottom panel. You can view each of those functions by clicking on them. If you want to get related method recommendation against some selected method, use the magic wand icon over here. A list of methods related to the selected method appear in the related methods sections of FACER's panel. You can view each of these methods by clicking on them. To copy the code of a selected method into a currently active file, use the copy icon over here. Let's consider another scenario where you want to create a new folder. Instead of writing the method from scratch, you can just write a query, create new folder, and invoke FACER AS. A list of methods related to the query appear in the bottom panel of the FACER plugin. You can view the code for each of those functions by clicking on them. Again, you can use the magic wand icon to get related methods. You can view each of these methods by clicking on them. Copy the method in your code using the copy icon over here. You can also upvote a related method using upvote icon over here. Currently, this is for evaluation purpose only. To view the code for methods that are being called in a selected method, you can click the called method icon over here. This will give you a list of methods that are being called. To view the source file of a selected method, you can click the source file icon over here. As you can see, this is the source file of the selected method. Thank you for watching and have a look at our GitHub repository and download our tool for quick coding.